In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the issue if from time to time this message appears on your screen and it says that your iPhone is too close and you need to keep your iPhone at arm's length to protect your eyes. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and basically guys, all we have to do is just head over to settings, then get into screen time, and that's where we can easily find screen distance. That option allows us to reduce eye strain, and if we get into it, we can easily turn it on or turn it off. If you want to stop this message appearing on your screen, just turn it off, like in my case. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.